Hello, I'm Gürkan Hasan Karaman from Team Tarnished. Our teammates are Alican Sucu and Orhan Kaplan. We made a project that artificial intelligence plays Mario games over an emulator named Beezhawk, and we made all codes from scratch, like convolutional neural network and all mathematical process. Firstly, I will show you all the codes, like important codes, and after that I will show you about game prototype. I will show the project running. Firstly, I want to start with CorePy. CorePy is a convolutional neural network library, and we mimicked from Keras library, like we have sequential class like that, and we have add function and summary and forward functions. Also, we have all layers like dance and activation layers. We used inheritance in here. The important thing is this CorePy file. It's convolutional 2D. We used only 3 filters because of there are lots of filters if we use more than these 3 filters. We selected these filters randomly on internet. So after that, these dance layers are normal, classic ANN, and we have all activation functions, and they inherited from activation layer. Actually, activation is inherited from layer, and layer has only layer name and its wrapper function. We have function in each activation functions: linear, tangent, hyperbolic, and softmax. We implemented all activation functions here. We have sequential class, and we have add function to add layer to layers list. And the important thing is initialize ways function here. Firstly, we get trainable layers. Why we summary function is just like in Keras. When we call this summary function, it will print the summary of the model. This convol method is important here. It's like in NTU classes on Coursera. We slice all images like 3 by 3 here and return it by using yield iterator, and we iterate over through this input function to slice all input to 3 by 3, and then we apply convolution process and then return this output. And in forward function we can have calculate y value, output value, to calculate a and z. A is output of z, activation function applied to z, and we will get a here, as you can see here. And we just used matrix dot product to here, in here, like that. It's just that. In genetic class, we have only crossover function over population. For example, we pass a population with size of 10. It will get the best 3 individuals to next generation list, and until next generation is length of next generation is length of population size, we will breed this the best individuals like that. And if random number is less than 0.4, it will get brain 1's parameter, and if this random number is less than 0.8, it will get brain 2 parameters, and if it's not less than 0.4 or 0.8, it will be random value. It's a mutation. And intelligence pi file controls Mario game, I mean emulator. The important thing is, firstly, we initialize population by using this pop size. We have this architecture. Input shape is 256 by 224 defaultly, and we can scale this shape with scale percent value. And then we have combined VRAM. This memory class is provide us to access memory flow in emulator, and we can read all RAM memory in game ROM, and we can get the values. For example, 0x94 is represents to X location of player. I will show that in emulator. And if length of population is 0, we will have to create next generation, and we can do that by using crossover function like that. And in each while step, it will print the best fitness score. And if Mario died, this codes will be executed, like it will print generation and genotype, and also it will read Mario's location, X location, and we will predict what will Mario do. And we have all functions, Mario functions here: left, right, down, and X meaning jump. Now I can show you how to run our project. Firstly, we have to open emulator. It's in game folder, emuhawk. Then file, open ROM, and I will select ROM folder and Mario. Open. I can use F1 to load state. We can use this button to reload state. For example, I will press right button and I will press then this button. Now I will open RAM search because it's X location of the Mario. Now I will have to open Lua TCP socket, OpenScript, Lua components, and hook Lua, and I will open intelligence hub. The connection is provided on backend. If Mario is on the same location, we assume that Mario can die, and you can see genotypes. Now next generation is generated, yes, and this is new generation, and again genotypes. After like 100 generations, Mario is playing the game on itself better, but now it's too early to play a game better. Thank you for listening to me. Our project is just that.